Oh man, I'm so wet. Dude. It is really freaking wet out here. Hi, hey folks, it's me again, the Ramen Raider, with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Umai Crate. Go over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, and get yourself a discount. This one is a cold noodle. It's summer. That's kind of a popular thing to put in boxes. Today we've got Maruchan Hiyashi Chuka. So as you can see, there's like a little bit of different stuff on there, you know. It's a cold noodle. It's cold, you know, because the summer, it's hot. That's the whole idea behind it. Also, you should note, look at how thin the noodles are. They're thin noodles. Okay, so that's going, what do we got, 3 minutes? 4 minutes. Alright. We have a wet, and we have a little sesame and seaweed garnish. And we'll go right into our hymnal, Momofuku Ando Speaks, by quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. So, yay, Momofuku Ando. Where's our middle? There it is. It's got a little page holder tassel thingy. Look at that. Wow. Number 9. If you fall down, don't just stand back up. Get back up with at least a handful of dirt in your hand. If you fall down, don't just stand back up. Get back up with at least a handful of dirt in your hand. Cool. This guy had a lot to say. Yeah. That's my dream. My dream is to go to Japan, go visit Nissan Foods, go visit lots of different places. Nissan, Maruchan, actual ramen restaurants. See, that's the thing. People are like, they see my shirt and it says the Ramen Raider. Like, oh wow, cool. Where's a good place you can buy ramen around here, man? I love ramen. It's like, no, I do instant. Oh. Well, how do you do that? There aren't that many, are there? Yeah, there are. Oh. Really? Oh. Yeah. That's kind of how the conversation tends to go. Well, what about a restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant? I'm like, yeah, go to Jinya. That place is good. So, but I mean, like, I don't know. I think I'd need to go to Japan to really recommend something good. Honestly, I mean, if you want to have the best Mexican foods, wouldn't you imagine you'd have to go to Mexico? I mean, there are places around here I love for Mexican food, but I'm guessing I'm going to have really good Mexican food if I go to, say, oh, I don't know, Mexico. So, yeah. I remember there was a website or an article about a ramen place that was doing this ramen. I think it was called like iceberg ramen or something. And it had like this incredible mountain of meringue on top of it. It was like this tall meringue and then ramen underneath it. It's like, wow, you really like that whipped egg white over there. Somebody does, at least. That's cool. It's different. I mean, there's like a few classic ramen flavors, but then of course you've got places trying to do all sorts of different new things, something kitschy, something gimmicky, this and that. So, oh, we're getting there. We are getting there. Yeah. It's almost time. Cold noodles are really hard for me to leave alone. Way back, I didn't like them. Now I love them. But I'm still trying not to eat so much. So, but I do have a lot of vegetables. And I'm doing an egg today, ladies and gentlemen. So what you do, you take the noodles, you drain them, then you rinse them with cold water. Try to make sure the pot is cold too. It's pretty darn cold. Yeah, those be cold. And now, take this stuff. Get the corner. Pour it in. That smells good. We got our trusty fork here. I toss it a little. Alright, let's give it a try. Cheers. Good. I will say this about cold noodles, like this one, the noodles don't want to break so well. So it's like you're trying to scarf some down and you're gonna get almost like a gag thing trying to happen, and that's not so much fun, but usually helps if you're not eating out of a pot and you can get like a smaller portion on your fork or what have you. Whoa. Okay. Mung bean sprouts. We're going to do this up kind of like a salad. Kind of like a Cobb salad, really. Got some big frickin' cucumber, jeepers. Some tomato. I like tomato. Some carrot. An egg. Now, generally it's hard boiled, but I'm just having so much fun doing these tamago eggs. Actually, that doesn't make any sense because tamago means egg. Oh yeah. And oh, we've got this garnish. It's just sesame seeds and seaweed. I know what that tastes like. Anything else? I want some crispy onions. Gotta use these up. Excuse me. Some spring onion. You just basically load this stuff up with vegetables. Oh, and there's something else I need to load into it too. Do we have any? This is, right? Yeah, here we go. We need ham. So we've got this really nice lunch meat. Use a little bit of this. I forgot to prep something. That's okay though. Man, it's already 1:30. It's hard cranking out 3 of these videos a day, let me tell you. Very difficult. All right. All right. Cool. Well, that's done. Shall we do some rotato? I say okay. I crack open this. Look at that. Radical skedaddle. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. right, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. It's like a salad. It's like a salad. All right. Well, winter is coming. I hope you enjoy whatever's left of your summer. It's starting to wane over here. Sadly, it's mid-August. September's not too far behind, and then, well, it all goes downhill from there. So from me to you, enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.